Manipur government celebrated 73rd Independence Day at the Manipur Rifles Ground today. The celebration was attended by Chief Minister N. Biren, cabinet ministers, MLAs, high-ranking officials and other distinguished guests. As a part of the function, several contingents took part in the mass parade parade to which CM N. Biren took the salute. Independence Day is being celebrated across Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren also attended the celebration at Secretariat Imphal. High Court of Manipur celebrated the 73rd Independence Day at the court complex. Chief Justice Ramalingam Sudhakar hoisted the national flag and a Manipur police band played the national anthem, and 182 Battalion BSF gave Rashtriya salute on the occasion. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Chuchanpur celebrated 73rd Independence Day. The function was attended by Inspector General STC Indra Kumar Mehta as chief guest. Several other officials, students and teachers of Krishi Vigyan Kendra were also present during the event. A bomb was found by Assam Rifles on National Highway 39 near Khongampat Orchidarium this morning. As per a report, Assam Rifles personnel and bomb experts later defused the bomb. A combined team of 15 Assam Rifles and Imphal East Commandos arrested 3 militants, including a district commander of Pre-Park yesterday, from different locations of Imphal East as per reports. A joint action committee formed against the mysterious death of Baby Sana will continue its agitation to seek justice for the late 13-year-old girl. According to reports, a mass rally will be held on 17th of this month, followed by a torch rally on August 18 across the state. Along with the rest of the nation, Tripura also celebrated 73rd Independence Day today. Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb unfurled the national flag at Assam Rifles Ground in the morning. In his speech, Biplab gave a detailed outlay of the achievements of his government during the last 17 months. He also said that Tripura is implementing all the schemes of the central government successfully. The Chief Minister further said that the state government has a plan to make Tripura as an IT hub.